afternoon, ma'am. My name is Renata Pagar, and today I'm going to do passive range of motion exercise. So, the definition of this is that it is an exercise wherein someone else moves or stretches a part of your body for you. The purpose of this is to help prevent weak muscles or stiffness, to improve blood circulation, to maintain flexibility, such as those who are paralyzed, and to reduce pain caused by stiffness. So first, I'm going to do the 12 procedure, 12 sequence, the 12 sequence done. So next is reposition the pillow in vertical manner. So get out of your way in hand exercise. So first we're going to shoulder flexion and extension. So hold the patient's wrist and elbow. So flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Do at least 5 times. Then next is shoulder abduction and adduction. So abduction, adduction, shoulder abduction, adduction. Do it at least 5 times. Then next is shoulder internal and external rotation. So internal, external, internal, external, internal, external. Do at least 5 times. Then next is elbow flexion and extension. So flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Do at least 6 times. Then next, supination and pronation. Supination, pronation, supination, pronation, supination, pronation. Do at least 6 times. Next is wrist flexion, extension. So flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Do at least 6 times. Then wrist big circle. So circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do at least 6 times. Then next is fingers flexion and extension. So flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Do at least 6 times. And then the thumb across the hand, So flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Then next is the do the other hand at the same process. Next, we're going to proceed to the hips. So in hips, we're going to hold the ankle part and the popliteal part of the patient. So hips extension, flexion, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Do at least 10 times. The next is hips abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction. Do at least 10 times. Then leg in 90 degrees angle. Then internal rotation, external rotation, internal rotation, external rotation, internal rotation, external rotation. Do at least 10 times. Then we're going to bend the knee, heels towards the bottom. So we're going to do this at least 10 times. So flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension, flexion, extension. Next is feet toes up and down. We're going to do this at least 10 times. So down. Up, down. Up, down. Do at least 10 times. The next is keep big circle. We're going to do this at least 10 times. So, circle. Then, the other rotation. The next is the cocktail in your hand. 30 to 60 seconds. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then, you're going to stretch the legs 30 to 60 seconds. So, as permission, then the heels of the patient should be on your shoulder. Then hold the knee of the patient. Then stretch the hip 30 to 60 seconds. 30. Then I'm done with the passive range of motion exercise. So I'm going to help the patient back to his comfortable position. Then I'm done.